In today's video, I'll show you how to create a histogram in Tableau so you can quickly visualize the distribution of your numerical data. Start by opening Tableau. If you are using Tableau desktop, launch the app. If you're using Tableau online, sign in through your browser. Once you're in, open a worksheet where you want to build the chart. Next, choose the numerical field you want to analyze. This could be sales, prices, or any measure in your dataset. Drag that field into the columns section of your worksheet. Now look toward the top right area of your screen and click the Show Me button. A panel of chart options will appear, and among them you'll see histogram. Click it and Tableau will automatically convert your data into a histogram with bins created for you. Once the histogram appears, you can customize it to better highlight details in your data. To adjust the bin size, simply right-click the bin field in the columns area and choose Edit. Here you can change the bin width to show more or fewer intervals, giving you deeper insight into trends, clusters, or outliers. And that's all it takes. You now have a clear and visual representation of how your data is created in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Tableau tutorials and data visualization tips.